to another edition of Scientific Connections Project Geeta. As I said last week, we'll talk about a scientific study that has been done on yogic breathing. What exactly is yogic breathing? It's a way of slowing down your breathing using various methods. Everyone knows that controlling your mind is easily said than done. It's very hard to do. An effective way of controlling your mind is by controlling your breathing. So that is the spirit or gist of this approach. So most of what I'm saying today is based on the work done by a researcher named Dr. Sundar Balasubramanian of the Medical University of South Carolina. Maybe after watching this video, you should look him up on YouTube and try to learn more about the details of his study. Dr. Balasubramanian is a researcher who studies various things, including the radiation on cancer patients and things like that. And he also does a lot of research on the bodily effect and health benefits of yogic breathing. At the end of this video, we'll publish the URL, the website and everything, so you can look up more details. Now, regulating your breathing can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, or PNS. We discussed this several episodes ago. It also activates your diaphragm. When you activate your diaphragm, it produces more saliva in your mouth. Often during stressful moments, we have dry mouths. Dr. Subramanian's research showed that not only do regulated breathing exercises produce more saliva, but that the content of the saliva thus produced is different from the content of the saliva produced under normal circumstances. Researchers have found that there's more nerve growth factor in the saliva of those who had done these breathing exercises. Nerve growth factor is exactly what it says. It's essential for proper functioning of our nervous system. The nerve growth factor is responsible for transmitting signals to the brain and other parts of the body. And what's important for us is that research has found that more immune response molecules are also produced when someone does these breathing exercises. In addition, the amount of inflammatory proteins is reduced by yogic breathing. So Dr. Subramanian has used yogic breathing for cancer patients, scleroderma patients. Scleroderma is a skin disorder, and stroke patients, and so on. Now, a word of caution here. If you feel uneasy or uncomfortable during any of these breathing exercises, you must immediately stop and go back to normal breathing. All right. So that's an advice that Dr. Balasubramanian also gives. Now, before I conclude this session, a quick reference to the Gita. Please take a look at verse 29 of chapter 4. It talks about pranayama and how controlling your breath is essential if you want to be a yogi. So that is our Gita connection, right for this episode. So next time, we'll dig a little deeper into the techniques that you can use to control your breathing. So there are there are hundreds of techniques, but we'll focus on maybe 4 or 5. Until then, have a great week. Thanks for watching.